When going to purchase your thread for hand sewing, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the numerous choices of threads that you'll find available. The thread that you absolutely would not want to use for hand sewing is the cone thread. This is thread that is created for overlock machines or sergers, and it is a very weak two-strand thread, so it would not have any strength when you're sewing it in clothing. At the other end of the spectrum, you have button thread, which is a very heavy thread, and again, would not be appropriate to sew a hem or hand sewing, used primarily, obviously, with buttons. The more popular choice that would work with almost all fabrics is a nice all-purpose or general-purpose thread. These are usually a combination of a cotton-wrapped polyester or a polyester-wrapped cotton and works well with all kinds of fabric. Another popular choice is 100% polyester thread. This is a popular thread in hand sewing because the polyester is very strong, so it can be a very fine thread, so it will sew easily through most fabrics. And also the polyester does not fray, it won't snap, and it doesn't break as easily as other threads you'll find. When you are selecting thread, if color matching is important, you want it to disappear as much as possible into the fabric. If you cannot find an exactly matching thread color, it's always suggested to go a little bit lighter because that actually will help blend in easier than if you go a little darker than your intended thread selection.